Alright guys, you're welcome back. Now I'll be talking about the grain. Now this grain is, I actually don't like it before. It had like a noise on your image. It's very, very interesting. Now I'll come to this. I'll come and reduce the grain style. Now this particular one contains grain and the grain style. Now these are presets. Now these are styles, different styles. These are different styles. Now, alright, so I'll just come to use A1. So this, when I zoom in, you can see like it kind of rough over this image. When I come to move my hand and I reduce it, you can see it has actually removed. When I now increase this noise, you can see the noise. You can see this rough, that is green. It had like a noise on the element you're working with. So now that is that for this one. And for style, we have different style. You can increase, you can see when I increase this style, you can see how the image, the background blended with it, blend with the background. So I can just come this one here. Now give me different style. You'll notice the image colors are changing. Okay, so I can just pick in this one, and just stay with it and just choose my strengths to see which one will go together with the grain. More or less, so that is everything I just have to tell you here. You see in the next video.